Hi guys, this video is about the Philips 908 remote control. I can control my Reavon 4K Ultra HD player X100 with this Philips smart remote. Right, there are options. Look, I can close the tray and load the disc up. Oh, that's cool, man. That's absolutely cool. That you can pause it, you can play it, you can forward it, you can rewind it, but you can't stop it. You have to use this big remote control, man. This massive remote. This remote's huge. Look, you can do subtitles, turn the subtitles off, because this is Fright Night 2, but it's in Spanish, but you can change it to English, like the language. It tells you what you got it on and all that. Sound, Dolby Digital 2.0, Revolution, Ultra HD, 2160p. Tells you about frame rate and the format, SDR, HDR format. You got color space, BT 709. Wicked, man. So I control it with this remote, this Philips smart remote. Happy days, man. You got disc menu, pop-up menu, subtitles, that you can reject the disc. Load it up. This is cool, man. This remote's excellent, man. Oh, this remote's quality, man. That you can turn it off and on with this bad boy. Go options, scroll down, turn off the 4K player. It's gone into standby now, and the player's turned off. This is awesome, man. Oh, this remote control is the best remote control I've ever owned. It's a bad boy. This is just bad boy remote. Cool. Cheers, guys.